In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the Grok application. By the end, you'll feel comfortable opening your Grok account, connecting it to your X account, finding Grok in the interface, and entering prompts to get helpful answers. I'll keep things clear, simple, and focused so you can follow along at your own pace. First, open your Grok account. Launch the official Grok app or go to the verified Grok website in your browser. If this is your first time, follow the on-screen guidance to get in. Make sure you're on a secure connection and keep the app or browser up to date to avoid any glitches. Once Grok is open, give it a second to load fully so all options appear as they should. Next, connect your X account. Look for the Connect option inside Grok and choose the option to connect to X. You'll be redirected to the official X login page. Sign in securely using your usual credentials. Take a moment to review any permission screen so you understand what access you're granting. If you use more than one X account, double-check that you're logging into the one you want to link. After you authorize, you'll return to Grok and the connection will be established. Once you're in, locate Grok on the left panel. On the X interface, you should see a sidebar on the left, and Grok will appear there as an item you can select. Click it to open the Grok experience. If the left panel is collapsed, expand it to reveal all options. When Grok opens, you'll see a clean chat-style layout with a text box ready for your input. Now you can enter your prompts or any questions you want answered. Type naturally and be as specific as you can. For example, instead of asking for marketing tips, try create a 3-post plan for a product launch next month, focusing on short-form video. You can also ask for explanations in plain language, summaries, comparisons, or step-by-step guidance. If the first response isn't quite right, refine your prompt by adding context, setting a tone or format, or requesting examples. Keep follow-up questions in the same thread so Grok remembers the context, and avoid entering private information. Never put sensitive details into your prompts. That's it. Open your Grok account, connect your X account, click Grok on the left panel, and start asking questions. With those basics in place, you can explore confidently and get more out of every prompt. Thanks for watching and have fun using Grok.